Hello everyone. So today we're going to draw a duck, so like kind of swimming in the water. So first we'll start out with our duck's head. So we're going to start up here. We're going to just curve around like this, going to make it a little rounded. Then we're going to make a little bit of like hair or feathers on the back. And then we're going to come down. We're going to circle down like this. All right, so we're gonna leave that spot open right here because that's where our beak is gonna go. So right there, but we're gonna go ahead and do the back of our duck now. So we're gonna start about right here, and then we're gonna just curve up like this, and then we're gonna make 3 little kind of tail feathers at the back. And then we're gonna come down, kind of just curve down a little bit, and make the body. We're gonna come around here, and we're gonna go ahead and make like a rounded, like the front body. We're gonna make it like round. So kind of like this. And then just join it up with that other line there. All right, so we're also going to add a wing here on the side. So just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our beak. So we're gonna have it come in a little bit like this. And then just come out like this. Kind of make it rounded like that. And then just join that part right there. And then we're gonna just put a little like line through there and then add a little tiny nose hole. And we're also gonna add an eye on our duck. So we'll add a nice big eye. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna color it all in except for one little shine spot, like at the top of the eye. All right, so for the water part, we're just gonna add some like little water ripples like at the bottom of the duck. So we're just gonna circle like this. And they don't have to be like all the way around. You can just make it like this, like little ripples in the water. So kind of like that. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and outline our duck. So we'll grab our black marker and just go ahead and outline all of your pencil lines. And then we're gonna go ahead and color that eye in black, except for that little white spot. All right. And then our wing. And our water here at the bottom. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we color our duck. So I'm going to use this bright orange. It's like just an orange, regular orange, really, to color the beak. We're going to make it a yellow duck. Or you can make it any color that you'd like. There's several different colors of ducks, but we're just going to stick with the yellow today. All right, and we're going to use a little bit darker yellow, kind of like a rubber ducky yellow, or like a chick, like a baby chick yellow. Color our entire head in that color. We're also going to do the body the same color as well. All right, just outline everything. Makes it a lot easier to color. Just do a quick outline. Of course our wing's going to be the same color, so go ahead and color that in too. Alright, and so for our water, we're just going to kind of outline these lines that we have, so just like on the inside of that black line. Just go ahead and outline it with your blue marker, green marker, whatever, whatever color you want your water to be. Mine's kind of like a greeny blue turquoise color, so. Okay, and that is it. So that is how you draw a duck on the water. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos on my page and a lot more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.